35% of your credit score is from payment history. So secret number 1, pay on time. Hi everybody, this is Stephanie Souza Bro. Now let's get to secret number 2. 30% of your credit score is based upon the capacity of credit. So for example, if you have a credit limit of $5,000, you only want to use 30% of the capacity of that card, meaning you only want to use $1,500 of the credit and keep $3,500 unused. So here's a tip. If you have one credit card with a $10,000 balance and another with a much lower balance, transfer some of the debt from one credit card to another. So the capacity used is as close to 30% as possible. Secret number 3 is that 10% of your credit score is based upon inquiries and past applications. So keep in mind that 75% of your total credit score is based upon payment history, capacity of credit used, inquiries, and past applications. So you want to be very mindful of that. So pay your bills on time, be sure not to max out your cards, keep a 30% balance or lower, and don't get too many inquiries. And that alone will help dramatically maximize your credit score. For more detailed information on how to maximize your credit so that you can save money and get better interest rates, reach out to me at any time or click the link below to get a detailed 17-page report. Thanks again, and as always, if you found this to be helpful, be social. Please comment, like, or share with somebody that might find it beneficial as well.